Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about cassava farming. I've shown one video concerning cassava. And in that video I told you guys that Addota have started up their cassava business already. So I just want to show you how the cassava has been turning out, how they have been growing, and the month in which the cassava have reached now. So in the end of this video I'm going to watch that video. You see the cassava and you see some things about the cassava. The cassava has been doing well, though the challenges that are facing now, this is the fact that rain is not falling that much. So that is the only challenge that I'm facing. And cassava can withstand any temperature and any climate condition. So please, if you haven't started up your cassava business yet, do start up your cassava farm. And at the end, you'll see our growth farming also. So I decided to show this little video for you guys so you see how the cassava has been growing and how the farm has been growing well. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video for you. Please do like this video and bye now.